Lagos fans, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things reality TV. Season 3 of The Real Housewives of Lagos has arrived, bringing a mix of fresh faces and familiar personalities. Today we'll introduce the new cast members and delved into what fans are saying on social media. Let's get started. So, season 3 introduces three dynamic women to the Real Housewives of Lagos. We have Sophia Momodu, Dabota Lawson, and Adeyola Diadem Adeyemi. First up, we'll start with Sophia Momodu. So, Sophia is a renowned fashion entrepreneur and socialite and is making waves with her entry into the show. Known for her impeccable style and business acumen, fans are eager to see how she'll navigate the Real Housewives of Lagos dynamics. Her inclusion has sparked excitement and curiosity among viewers. Now, we're moving on to Dabota Lawson. Dabota is a former beauty queen turned entrepreneur. She brings bold presence into the series. As the founder of Dabota Cosmetics, she has established herself in the beauty industry. Her assertive demeanor has already made an impression, with fans noting her straightforward approach. Last but not least, we'll talk about Adeyola, who is popularly known as Diadem. She's a beauty mogul and influencer. As the CEO of Beauty by AD, she has significant following. Fans are praising her style and grace, anticipating her contributions to the show's glamour. As I said earlier in one of my videos, Real Housewives of Lagos brings the style, the quality, everything that these ladies bring are top notch. Guys, I'm telling you, everything that these ladies bring are very much top notch. Because wow. Okay, guys, why would I create a video without talking about the returning cast members? So, the returning cast members, I mean the ones who've been there from season 1, others joined in season 2, others left in season 2 and joined in season 3 again. So the person who is of significance is Carolina Hutchings. She was married to a man called Danjuma. I know her surname was Caroline Danjuma before she divorced. So Carolina has come back to the show. She left in season 2, citing that she never actually came back in season 2. She left in season 1. She wasn't there in season 2. So she came back now in season 3. So her fans are puzzling that she's back, especially given her even for past on the show. I mean, we saw in season 1 where she had beef with Laura Ikeji. So now viewers are curious about how the relationship between her and Laura will evolve this season. So if you don't know Carolina, in this picture she's third from the right. That's Carolina. She's back. She never came back in season 2, but she's back in season 3. And then other returning cast are Laura Ikeji. Laura has always been there since season 1, although at the season 2 reunion she had vowed that she wouldn't come back for season 3. But I'm happy because Laura is one of my favorite cast members on the Real Housewives of Lagos. So I'm happy that she came back. Laura is presence on social medias and continues to share her life through social media because she's a big influencer and an entrepreneur. She sells her products, Laura Beauty, and fans appreciate her candidness and are looking forward to her interactions with the new cast members. I really can't wait to see how she interacts with them. I haven't really watched the show, but I really like Laura. And if you saw, she's deep into friendships. Like in season 2, she had friend Faith Moray, although Faith didn't come back this season. But Laura is, for me, she comes across as a good person and a good loyal friends. So if you don't know Laura, she's the second from the left sitting down in this picture on the screen. And then we have Miriam Trimmer, who is the first lady from the right. Miriam is known for her vibrant personality and remains the central figure. Viewers are eager to see her dynamic with both old and new faces. I really cannot wait to see how this lady is gelling with the new ladies on the show. I also what would be the analysis without looking at what the fans are saying? So social media is abuzz with reactions to the new season. Here is a glimpse of what fans are saying concerning Sophia Momodu. Concerning Sophia Momodu, the new face on the show, fans have mixed feelings about Sophia joining the cast. Some are excited about the fresh perspective she brings, while others are curious about how she'll fit into the existing dynamics. Regarding Dabota Lawson, she has a bold personality and it has sparked discussions on social medias. While some viewers admire her confidence, others are wary of the potential conflicts of her joining the show. And then Adiola, also known as Diadems, elegance and style has garnered positive feedback. Fans are looking forward to her fashion statements and contributions to the show's glamour. Yes, guys, Real Housewives of Lagos is all about glamour, style, quality, top notch, everything. These ladies, they go all out. They show us everything fashion, drama. I mean, for me, it's one of the best shows in Africa. So now comparing the new and old cast members as well as the returning cast members, it has led to debates among fans. Some appreciate the fresh energy, while others are nostalgic of the original lineup. Oh, guys, I'm on my side. I really miss the original cast. I mean, with people like Toyin, who was the queen of fashion, with people like Chiyoma. Oh, guys, I miss those guys. But anyway, let's see the others and give them a chance to see what they bring to the show. So, what does season 3 have in store for us? On my side, season 3, I think it's promising a captivating mix of personalities, drama, and luxury, with the introduction of new faces and the return of familiar ones. It's an exciting ride. Let's see how the ladies mingle together. The old beefs, the new faces. Are the new faces going to join Cruise? Are they going to be a team on their own side, have a beef with the new team? I want to see how they really interact. So guys, what are your thoughts on the new cast members? Do you think they'll shake things up or blend seamlessly? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more updates of your favorite reality shows. Until next time, stay fabulous.